बेंगलुरु के कुद्दूस साहब ईदगाह मस्जिद खादरिया में 2 सितंबर बरोज हफ्ता मेगा जॉब फेयर मुनक़द किया जा रहा है। रोजगार की तलाश, मुलाजिमत की तलाश, नौकरियों की तलाश कर रहे नौजवानों के लिए ये एक सुनहरा मौका है। जी हाँ दोस्तों, प्रेसिडेंसी फाउंडेशन के तहत कद्दूस साहब ईदगाह में बड़े पैमाने पर फ्री जॉब फेयर होने जा रहा है। एसएसएलसी पास या फेल से लेकर मास्टर डिग्री तक के नौजवान इस जॉब मेले में हिस्सा ले सकते हैं। तकरीबन 100 कारपोरेट कंपनियां यहां मौजूद रहेंगी। मोहतरमा कौसर निसार की ज़ेरे निगरानी ये मेगा जॉब मेला मुनक़द होगा। इस जॉब मेले के मुंतजिम सलमान निसार अहमद सोहेल निसार अहमद ने कहा कि मौजूदा दौर में जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज न मिलने की वजह से कई नौजवान परेशान हाल हैं, लिहाजा इस मसले को देखते हुए मेगा जॉब मेला मुनक़द करने का फैसला लिया गया। जनूबी न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ellarge namaskara. Peace and blessings be upon each and everyone watching this. My name is Salman Nisar Ahmed, and we have created a concept called Mega Job Fair that is being conducted with the permission of the creator at the Khadriya Masjid, Khuddus, Eidgah Mohalla is what some of you call it, and it's an interfaith event at its core. Apart from being an event with the vision that is to maximize employment, irrespective of what socio-economic background that you have, irrespective of what qualification that you have, irrespective of all gender, caste, religion, we are here to provide a great platform of 100 corporates, ranging from the most basic jobs to the very high technical jobs. It can be in a big software company, it can be a job of a delivery boy. The point is that we want everyone to have the resource and strength and ability to be safeguarded in terms of fixed income. वो सेफ्टी बहुत ज़रूरी है ये ज़माने में. So fixed income will give what? It gives good shelter, it gives good lifestyle, at least some खाना पीना, and ability to take care of your loved ones, most importantly. So that is what we intend to do with this event. What is the intention behind it? Intention, as I said earlier, it's to maximize employability within not only our community but all communities in the house of the creator.
For people who are undergraduates and
yeah, we have some ranging from hospitality, retail, IT, delivery jobs, packaging jobs. It's ranging from across the board, across the spectrum, irrespective of this socio-economic background.
So total कितने कंपनियां आएंगी?
100 companies is our guarantee, is what we're trying to ensure.
Okay. So in chief case that is attending?
Yeah, inshallah we are expecting Honorable Speaker Sir, Mr. UT Khadr Sahab's presence there, His Holiness the Archbishop of the state of Karnataka. We have invited the spiritual leaders of the Hindu community among the state. We have also invited all the spiritual leaders of the Muslim community of all the state. So we are all positioning ourselves to create a more clear and open path for having the control over ilm, irrespective of whatever comes in between. Because ilm and knowledge is your greatest asset. It will be with you when you don't have properties, when you don't have your parents' support, it is there with you. So please ilm ko hasil karo.
Sir, how many days program and what is the timing?
So it's a one-day program. It's on 2nd September. It is happening from 10 a.m. onwards. The venue is Khadriya Masjid, which is in Benson Town.
So this is a good opportunity for all of them, those who have have skills and who have potential to get placed in non-IT and IT sector. And I think this is a time where many people are struggling for jobs. Many people are actually struggling for get placed. Kindly use this opportunity and make sure that you come for this event. And आप सबको ये opportunity है, जो अभी opportunity बहुत कम है, job market भी आजकल बहुत opportunity नहीं मिल रहा है. ये platform है हम सब के लिए, भाई बहन के लिए, ये opportunity संभाल करने के लिए आप सब लोग आना है, IT and non-IT. प्लस हमारे पास ये भी है हाउसकीपिंग के लिए, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स के लिए वो भी कंपनीज है जो मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन दे कैन कम. तो प्लीज़ मेक यूज़ ऑफ दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. थैंक यू सो मच.